If you're tired of rewriting the same emails over and over again, or wasting time hunting for the perfect response, you are going to love this video. Okay, so in this series, Mastering Gmail Templates, I'll show you how to create, use, organize, all the things when it comes to Gmail templates so you can save time, stay consistent, and respond faster. So whether you're brand new to Gmail templates or you want to sharpen your workflow, these quick tutorials will help you become a pro in no time. Let's jump over to my Gmail inbox and I'll show you. All right, now we're back over here in my Gmail. And what I want to do now is I want to show you how you can actually use your templates. Okay, so I've activated my templates. I've like loaded my account with the templates that I need, but how in the heck do I use them? Okay, so that's a great question, and I want to show you how to do that. So I've sent myself an email, okay, for lack of a better idea, you have to, in order to demonstrate this to you. So sent myself an email, and what I'm gonna do is it's like, let's say I'm in here, I'm checking my email, I'm in my Gmail account. I click on this email and it says, "Hi Kathy, my name is Cami and I found you on YouTube. I'm wondering how I can work with you. What courses or programs do you offer? Do you have any offer any one-on-one coaching, blah, 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 whatever." Okay. So when you do this, you're going to do just like you normally do. You hit reply, okay? But instead of having to type out your full answer here, what you're going to do is you're going to hit these three little dots. You're going to go to your templates and you're going to go to reply. How do I work with? Okay, and you can see it doesn't show all of the wording. It will always show reply to. Okay, so what you might, I mean, if you have that as part of your template name, so you'll kind of have to learn what these names are because it's not going to all show there. But I'll promise you, like you will start learning which ones you use and how often, or you can make the name short enough if you want to, so that you know what that is. Okay, so you're going to do insert template, and I'm going to insert this. How do I work with you? It automatically loads. Now, I'm going to need you to use your imagination and let's pretend that I had already customized this response, this template, with all of my information. I did not do that because I didn't want to confuse you. I wanted you to see that this is the template that I demonstrated on how to load into your Gmail account in a previous video. And now I'm showing you how to access that template. Okay. So it's here, but let's pretend that everywhere that you're seeing the brackets, that I have updated this to be custom personalized to my information. I've got my, name already here. Or remember, if you're using the email signature inside Gmail, then you don't want anything right there for the signature because it's going to automatically load when you create an email, right? Or when you hit a reply, it's going to be there anyway. So I'm going to just leave this as is. And then let's just pretend it's all been customized, personalized to my offers, my programs, what my natural response would be to this kind of inquiry. Okay. And then I would just hit send. And it's that easy. Okay. And so then it's gone. And so if I go over to my sent, you can see that it's gone out. All right. So that is how you actually use um, your templates inside your Gmail account. That's it for this quick Gmail tip. If you found it helpful, I want you to make sure you check out the rest of the Mastering Gmail Templates playlist, all right? And this is to streamline every part of your email game. The links are listed below this video for you. And also, don't forget to grab your free copy of 10 email templates every online entrepreneur needs in their inbox. I'll also drop the link to this below so you can grab your free copy.